Hello guys, need to access Google Sheet but not sure how to log in? No worries. Today I'll walk you through how to log in to Google Sheet in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to sheet.google.com. You'll see the Google Sheets homepage. If you are not already signed in, click sign in at the top right corner. Enter your Google email and password, then click next. If you have two-step verification enabled, follow the prompt to verify. Once logged in, you can either open an existing sheet or click the blank template to start a new one, and that's it. Now you're all set to work on Google Sheet. So if this was helpful, like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye.